Okay, so I'm inside my Google Sheet. All right, as you can see, I'm inside my Google Sheet, and I've created a table. All right. So this is just a fixation table. Anyway, uh, of course, I want to create a chart, but I do not want to do it myself. Let's ask Gemini to do it. All right. So create a chart for me, enter, and you can see the Gemini inside the Google Sheet will actually be able to see my data. Right? You'll be able to see my data. And this is what they want to create for me. Okay, so if I want it, right, there's an insert button here. I'll plug it in. See? Right. And here I have it, my chart itself. Okay, of course, I can still play around with it, but not an issue. Okay, so I can still make changes to it if I want to. Fast and easy.